What do you do when someone runs out of firewood? Well, you go and cut some dead trees down so they can burn them right away. Well, we had freezing rain overnight. A little slippery out here. Just checking the panels. They're nice. No rain on them. It's warm. It's probably 10 degrees now. So it came from below zero temperatures overnight to about plus 10. Collecting some rainwater here. And trying not to slip on this ice. Still lots of snow in the bush, but where we've kept it plowed, it's pretty much gone. Drifts everywhere, but as soon as you step over to where the trees shade it, there's still lots of snow, probably 1.5 feet out there still. Walked down to the creek yesterday and I was sinking pretty good. You can hear the water flowing down there. It'll be high after all that rain we just got. We'll see how my maple syrup is running, or sap is running here. Joe just started the generator. He's going to sharpen some chainsaws. We got an electric chainsaw sharpener, so well, looks like it's just starting to drip here. We got a little bit in the bottom. So we'll have to go collect sap later today and probably start boiling. But we do have a customer that just called and said they're out of firewood and they need some immediately. So we are going to, hopefully this weather holds and we can go cut them. There's some standing dead elm and ash trees that'll be ready to burn right away for them. So our road's not too good, but we will get a load on the trailer and pull it out with the tractor. We have our vehicles parked out on a neighbor's property right now, just because our road's getting pretty mucky this time of year, frost heaving out of it, and then refreezing and then rain on it. Ella loves the snow. Well, we aren't the only ones cutting trees down over here. Well, we got the firewood all cut and in the trailer, ready to deliver on Saturday morning. And now back to the sugar shack.